When opportunity knocks.
All right, I'm out here with my boys, you know what I'm saying? He just got him a nice little, you know, shim. You know what I'm saying? Look at that, look at that. That's a big old 400. Look at that big old Pontiac 400. That's a freshly rebuilt.
She for sale.
She for sale. He got it for a deal, but don't worry about what he paid for it. What you gonna pay for it? He's gonna do a complete restoration to it. He's gonna throw that fresh paint on it, fresh top, and I don't even want to tell you the motor. I'll let him tell you. Go on, tell him what you finna throw in that thing.
Let me tell you about the motor. The motor is an LS3. Actually, it was a crate motor that was built and has about 6,000 miles on it. Has a LSX manifold on it. And I'm thinking about going with the LSA, but we're going to see how that motor runs.
And they got me tipped with the LSs now first. You know, you already know what I wanted at first. But I don't think I'm going to LS now. I'm going LS. I wanted to go, you know, a little stroker, a little something. I mean.
Oh, this thing's going to be on a whole nother level, though. Because, you know,
y'all going 6 years.
We're going AC on it. We got.
Sheesh.
Man, we just.
Might do the ride tech. Might do the ride tech suspension. Something similar to it.
See?
Yeah, so
and they both YouTubers, so you know what I'm saying, y'all gotta check them out, man. They got look, I'm telling you, like he already showed me he already telling me his plans. Here's gonna be a movie.
Just like this for
work.
That's work. You know what I mean? This for shits and giggles. You know what I mean? I might.
Yeah, but it's his channel gonna be a movie, man. I'm gonna tell y'all that much. It's gonna be a movie, man. So y'all check him out. He builds.
Can you give him a peep of the motor?
Yeah,
let's go do that. Let's do that.
Motor needs to be freshened up a little bit, so you know it's gonna get cleaned up.
And low key, we vlog on vlog. You know what I'm saying? We vlog on vlog, but his vlog is way better than mine. Yeah, I'm gonna try to make sure that's possible, because you don't see nobody that young doing something that bad. Look at this. Ooh, y'all already know. That's what I was talking about.
So this came out of a Corvette. The Corvette was dynoed at 500 and I think 40 pounds of horsepower to the wheel.
Oh, Jesus.
So I'm hoping that I can get something close to that.
So you probably like 6 something at the crank, huh?
Yeah, most definitely. 600 at the crank. But if I can get at least 500 in the bird, then I'll be happy. Until I'm ready to go crazy with an LSA.
These big horsepower dudes is depressing me right now. I got maybe 50 horsepower right now in my little bug. I got me feeling some kind of way. I can't do nothing like this though.
Hey, we might do a project where we throw an LS in the back of the...
In the back. They throw it in the front, baby.
They throw it in the front?
They throw it in the front.
Look, some of them throw it in the front. Right, he'll let you know what you need.
Throw it in the trunk.
Let you know.
Hey, I might have to build another bug just to do something like that. That sounds dangerous.
You guys mad? I think he raced against one a car that had the motor in the front. That's another level, baby.
Man, look at this fresh chain. I don't know what that is. A Q.
So we throwing in what's the 4L60?
Yep, that's 460 you got there.
Okay, so I heard they hop a little bit more than the 80s.
I was saying the same thing. I mean, I'm hearing mixed emotions. Like you said, some people prefer the 80 over the 60, the 60 over the 80. I'm learning more about it, so
we gonna find out together, because this is my first 4L60. So,
okay.
You know what I mean? If he breaks it, job security, baby.
Oh yeah, keep the money coming. And look at the else he doing. He know them too. He know these big blocks, small blocks, built motors. He know all of them. Watch. I'm gonna leave a link in the description, and then y'all go check his channel out. You know what I'm saying? It might not be up. Y'all come and start giving him love off top, so I could, you know what I'm saying, show my boy that, you know what I'm saying, I got a decent following. At least 2 or 3. Come on, at least 5 of y'all should subscribe. Come on, man, don't do me like that, because y'all got me looking weak out here in these streets. But I love y'all anyway. Vlogs on vlogs.
So that's the reason why I got the valve covers off.
Okay.
Look at it. As I told you. You know how to work that carburetor stuff. You know that digital stuff.
Carburetor stuff, man. A couple pats of the gas.
You see me stressing off all the what's names, the jets and stuff, man.
I got it. Nope, she's coming out anyway.
Well, she didn't want to do it. She just did it with the cameras off, y'all.
It's stubborn.
That's why they see that kind of stuff with these is the only thing the reason make us want to go with that technology in our especially with these classics. You want them to
You ain't gotta worry about it. All I gotta do is
plug and play.
I might even do something special with his.
Okay.
We might have to talk, man. We might have to just make yours just remote start and all.
Hey, I love it.
Just jump in it and push the button. You know what I mean?
Dang.
Like a new car.
Damn.
It's gonna be driving like a new
The
car.
72 Buick has a push start on it.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Just hop in it. You ain't gotta put the key in nowhere. You just senses your key and just push that button. They got it.
Push button start?
Now that Chevelle that I did,
Uh-huh.
he could be here in California. His car's in Vegas. He can go on his app. He can start his phone from his app.
His car, his old school.
Yep. Well, sometimes because you know that had these kind of problems, gotta give it some gas. Tell his daughter run there, give it some gas or something. Like.
Oh, dang.
But if it had an LS in it,
He could do
it'll
it.
be a hell of a lot easier. But, you know,
Now, I'm gonna ask you this, Johnny. Is that LS reliable enough to drive in New York?
you can drive it to New York, back, New York again, back.
That's what we're talking
And
about.
yeah, 200,000 miles. You could buy one used with 100,000 miles and have no problems for another 100,000 miles, if not more. Plus, what we do is that we upgrade the oil pump. Because main thing with LS, you start hearing the lifter start ticking. Once the lifter start ticking, that's a lack of oil pressure. So with a new oil pump, or a boosted oil pump, that solves that problem right there and then. What they also do is when they do a cam swap, they put new lifters in also. So as long as yours has everything that they said, you ain't got no problems.
Yes, sir.
The main thing is keeping it cool. That's why radiator is good, but LS's, unlike these old schools, they run at 220. You get an old school over 185, 190.
I know the cuckoo bird.
Or you
Yeah.
burning something up. So that's the main thing. That's why with this one, I even got an aftermarket radiator, but just like you said, I'm gonna use this radiator just because it's brand new. I already bought it, and I wasn't planning on going LS, but we're here now, so
Here now, it's time to get to work.
it's
Time to get to work. Let's get
time
her
to get to
done.
work. Let's get her done. You see, I got AC coming.
Ooh,
That's what that big
vintage
hole
air?
is down there.
Oh, getting ready for vintage air?
Yep. But man, that's why I was so glad his is already here, because you know how long that stuff takes to get here. I've been waiting almost 2 months now. They got my money. It's not like I got to wait to pay. I wish I could have waited to pay, because I could have used a little bit of that cheddar. You know what I'm saying? But
Yeah, I'm on back order for some tires for my bug. I was supposed to get some brand new ones, and I seen this one spot at it yesterday. I mean, like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
I went over there. They sold out already. I'm like, they said they on back order, and they coming from China. So
you gotta get it right when you see it, man. You can't
I
wait.
should have just,
No
yeah,
time.
I didn't have no room in the little, that day I didn't have no room in my bug. I was like, I should have bought them damn tires.
Let's go. I need to go pick.
Working today. I'm trying to see what they doing. It's about to snatch that motor out. We got young professionals.
I just used the wrench on the other side, didn't I? Huh? I just used the wrench. Okay. I took this 5/8 first, so I can take this. Get that one?
Look as he carefully removes the one bucket for the next bucket.
You got it.
Use a wrench on it.
Notice how the cameraman doesn't really know how to work his gimbal, but he tries his best. Yes. Looks as if he's removing the header bolts. That's what I would assume he's doing. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. I'm not very mechanically inclined. Does this sound like someone's urinating in the background? You hear the urinating. Ugh. Ooh, he needs to drink water. His urine is quite green.
He said, "Let's drink some more water."
Smells like antifreeze. Notice how the engine bay is nice and clean. Yes, if this were my car, it would look like a big bowl of shit was inside of it. Not because I don't care, but mainly because I don't give a fuck. Yes, yes.
Yeah, pick it up, please.
Oh shit, we got the way.
That one's going down, right? The header?
Yeah.
Notice the man holding a tool, standing there looking as if he in the middle of a gangbang, ready to pounce on the bitch. Ready with the rubber ready.
Hey, Johnny, put some music, man. Please.
My bad. I got you.
Don't worry, I'm gonna be when I'm turning the camera back on, I'm gonna B-roll that shit.
Oh, all the boats, yeah, you throw it in there.
Don't worry, when I start filming your part of the vlog, I might. Wait, he about to put on some
Or you can get a
copyright. I'm about to cut my shit off.
get a 14 range. Yeah. For the two of them.
Hey, bro, I only got 7%, okay?
You got a charger now? Get the use the Mario's phone.
Boom. Never mind.
Thank you, sir.
They just put me on some new
And they're also using something to put away the screws. Something I wouldn't have done.